Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making vegetarian gurgur. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the vegetarian gurgur. You'll need 2 cups of gurgur number 3 with vermicelli pasta, 2 diced tomatoes, 1 diced capsicum, 1 diced onion, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 4 tablespoons of light olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of boiling water. And this is how your vegetarian gurgur should look like, so enjoy! Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!